Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel a reservation on booking.com. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log in to your booking.com account. Once you're logged in, locate and click on your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Bookings or Trips. This will take you to a page where all your reservations are listed. Find the booking you want to cancel. Once you've located it, click on it to open the reservation details. Inside this section, you'll see all the relevant information about your booking. Look towards the right-hand side of the page, and you should find an option that says Cancel your booking. Click on that option to proceed. Next, you will be asked to select a reason for cancelling your booking. A drop-down menu will appear with several options to choose from. Pick the reason that best matches your situation. Once you've made your selection, click on Continue. On the next screen, Booking.com will provide a summary of the cancellation details. If the reservation was not eligible for free cancellation, you will see how much you will be charged. If you are entitled to a refund, the exact amount and the refund process will be displayed as well. Review this information carefully. After reviewing the details, confirm the cancellation by clicking on the Cancel Booking button. The system will process your request, and within a few seconds, your booking will be cancelled. You might also receive a confirmation email from Booking.com shortly after. And that's it. Your reservation is now cancelled. Thank you for watching.